Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ke North East Center for Technology Application and Reach kala penlong ye kalempung ye theria tai ka ba arsngi kanthi hanong ba shalong na ka benta ban wat ye kilat kilenti ban Kyntiew ye ka yok ka kot jong ki Paidbah nong song snong hakani ka jalla Meghalaya bat hakathan chatai lam mi ngi jong kari India. Ka North East Center for Technology Application and Reach ka badairu ka autonomous body jong ka Department of Science and Technology jong ka Sarkar India hakalampung ye theria tai ka ba arsngi kata haka khandai bat ka shphotarik bantau bana yayong arhajar arphuwei kala lumlang ye ki scientist ki nongrem bat ye ki nong sengkam na kaleng ki jilla jong ka than chatai lam mi ngi khnang ban sngo ye ki jingdon kam ki jong ki khnang ban dubla ban Kyntiew ye ka yo ka kot jong ki lengba ka jing pentrai kam ya ki technology katkum gane ka juk ka banta bat katkum ka jing start science.
As you know that we have been working in all sectors to generate livelihood and to reach the society with the technology intervention. When I say all sectors, I mean to say it's that we are working in agriculture sector, on food processing sector, textile and fiber, then poultry, IT and communication, then flood resilience, geospatial applications, and bamboo applications, and of course we are open, which is not like this, that's nothing like that it is to be only on these particular sectors. We are open for the overall development of the Northeast region, particularly the rural part of the Northeast. So in that, so that the main vision is that we need to make a bridge between the innovation technology and the societal development. That's the main vision. I'm just telling you in a brief. What does it mean basically? That what are the we are now giving more importance to the indigenous technology, and that's why you might have seen in this conclave there are many technology that has come from the different CSIR lab of our country. So this is whatever the indigenous technology developed over there, and we have particularly requested them that you try to give us some technology which are basically useful for the state of Meghalaya. And then see the beauty of this kind of conclave is that, so we have invited all the stakeholders. Means it is not only the scientists, technologists, but also entrepreneurs, even farmers. Yesterday, so many farmers came yesterday. Farmers, then the NGOs, self-help group, and of course state government officials. So idea is that they should find out what are the technologies are available, because see, there are the technology which are demonstrated over here may not be exactly useful, but it requires little bit of customize, so that if the farmers tell about, suppose if I tell about that I want to have some mushroom cultivation or any other, so the soil structure of that particular region may not be the exactly same as the soil structure of the other region. So the technology which is being used to grow mushroom or to increase the mushroom growth is useful in some places, but may not be useful here. So that the developer of the technology who is here, at the same time, if he or she gets some feedback about the basic content of that particular region or soil and wood or this, then he can definitely think about to make it more customized way so that it could be useful for this region. So that's the idea. So bringing all people together and also bringing the technology, and also let us know that how it could be used in a proper way. So initially we are not thinking that tomorrow we'll do everything or in a month we'll do everything. This is a long-term project. So if we can get it, pilot project is done in a better way, then we can support. Or there are, as you might have yesterday, so many government agencies have given their presentation that the amount of fund that is there in the central government is enormous, means a huge number. Only thing is that we have to find it out how to take it for our purpose, for our requirement. So in that context, this conclave has been initiated, the first of this kind that we have made in Meghalaya, and we are also going to do the similar kind of this kind of conclave in other part of the northeast, not only the Meghalaya. We got a proposal from yesterday from the Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. So this will be a continuous process. The idea is to somehow we need to uplift this society. North is an abundant source of raw materials, but somehow it has been not used properly.
The northeast region of India, despite being highly resourceful, has not been able to reap the benefits of its resources due to technological gap. The Northeast Center for Technology Application and Reach, Nectar, is an autonomous body under Department of Science and Technology, tirelessly involved to bridge up the technological gap of Northeast region. The Nectar designs solutions to accelerate the diverse kind of livelihood, entrepreneurship in the Northeast region through technological interventions.
Nectar is an autonomous body under Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. The main objective of Nectar is to disseminate technologies to the Northeast region.